Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to upgrade or replace the memory in a 2006 to 2008 MacBook. Start by powering down the MacBook. Then unplugging the charger and any other cables. Flip the MacBook upside down onto a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using a coin, rotate the battery lock to its unlocked position. Now lift the battery up and out. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 3 screws holding this shield on. Pull the shield off and put it aside. Here are the 2 memory sockets. These MacBooks support up to 3 GB of DDR2 memory. In this MacBook I have a single module of 1 GB. Today I will be installing a second 1 GB module. To install a new module, make sure you line it up the correct way to prevent damage to the module or internal pins. Now push the module in. As you push it in, there is more and more resistance, so this requires some force. After the module slots into place, install the shield. Now screw in the 3 screws. Slot the battery down into its connector. And now push the battery down, then turn the lock into its locked position. Please go follow me on Instagram at TechWithSully for news on what I purchase and information about upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it has helped you out. Don't forget to hit the like button and get subscribed to keep up to date with all of my videos.